Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change a post type in WordPress website. So very simple and basic way guys, just you have to find out this plugin post type switcher. You have to search this plugin and install a simple way to change a post type in WordPress website. After installation, activate. Now here visit your all post. So guys, after installation, edit your any post. Once you edit, you will see here post type feature. Click here, post type switcher. You can convert this post into page. Select it, then click on OK. So this is the simple and basic way to change post type in your WordPress website. Thanks for watching and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.